So the materials you'll need are scissors, glue, tape, a piece of paper, and any type of coloring resource.
The next thing you will need to do is cut your colored paper however big you want your card to be. You can cut it smaller or bigger, it depends on what you want the size of your card to be. After that, you fold it in half.
What you do next is leave the base of your card to the side and decide what you want your card to look like. When you have that pictured, think of what you would see if you were there, or the things you would want to make. Cut those out from your construction paper and color them if you want more colors for your decoration.
For the next step, you want to take your construction paper and fold it in half. Once you're done with folding it, an optional step is making it colorful with any type of coloring material you own.
After you do that, you take the thing you want to pop up in your card and put it in its ideal position. Make sure it is perpendicular.